see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Ang dami na surfing guys. So, ayan si baby girl from from Russia. Tinuturuan siya. Pumunta na sila sa tubig. Kaso lagi siyang hindi siya makatayo. Ayun yung papa niya, ayan papa niya. O hindi siya tumayo. Tawang-tawa to. Later you going, right, Jo? Are you going? Yeah. Inayaya niya si Jan mag-surfing. Kasi si Jan, di ba kung maalala nyo, inoperahan si Jan sa tenga. Kasi nga, mayroon siyang, parang may butas naman talaga yung tenga natin. Parang, nalagyan kasi siya ng tubig nung pag surfing. Tapos, parang, a year ago, or more than 2 years, bago niya, naramdaman na there's something wrong sa tenga niya. Kaya, kung maalala nyo, 2 years ago ba yung nagpaano si Jan? Nakita nyo yun kasi blinag ko yun nung nagpa-opera si Jan sa tenga niya. So ngayon, niyayaya siya ni Joe mag-surfing. Sabi niya parang hindi pa raw okay ang tenga niya. Tsaka takot din siya, ayaw niya na yun mangyari. Kasi annoying. Zach! I want 1, 2 please. Chocolate Magnum please.
What chocolate, mama?
Thank you. Mag-Magnum na tayo. Enjoy natin tong ating holiday. Kasama ang food. Si Jan, tsaka si Holly. Andun na si Jan. Oh. Yung daddy. Mag-daddy.
What, almond?
I want... Yes, that one. Thank you. I want... Yeah. Just ask Ed, what do you want?
White almond?
I want chocolate, please. Ayun, mag-amay. Hindi ko masumi. Yan na yung... yan.
Yeah, almond.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, that's mine. Thank you. Okay, cheers, Sak. Where's your Saki? This is your second sack?
Yep.
Here's love. Thank you, Ed. Lagyan natin ulit sa sack ng sunscreen.
Do you bring this one or not? Different more bang, no? No, same, because this one I'm changing. Or you are little done, right? This one, still same. Then this one. Yeah, but... Hey. Sophie can pick this one.
Kuya, aman. Kuya, ayaw daw. Nagustuhan ni Jan yung coffee. Ayan, may coffee na. Cold coffee. Don't go yet. Let me try your coffee. I don't drink coffee, but I don't drink coffee. Too strong. That's so full of. Where's my water? Kuya, can you grab my water there, please? That one. Thank you. Full? Si Kuya gutom na. 11:47. Mag-order na siya ng lunch. Pinapa-order din sila ni John. Jack, go order some. McDonald's.
I get McDonald.
Later. Okay, later. Yeah, gusto niya raw McDonald's. Kasi si Sak gusto niya McDonald's. Chicken with rice. Ako din. Mamaya. But si Kuya gusto niya mee goreng. Alam ko gusto niya mee goreng. Pero nag-mee goreng niya siya kanina. What? Why tuhan? Ah, okay. Andito na si Kuya. Sa kanya nag-order.
I took my bag.
Yung girls nandun na naman. Yeah. Nanalo sila Sak sa football. Yung team ni Sak nanalo. Ayan si Kuya. Tapos na siya mag-order. Ay! Naka-broke. Baba! That was good one! Yung mga parents, oh. Chini-cheer sila. Bless me. Bless me. Woo! Pa-high tide ng pa-high tide, oh. Yeah, it's getting bigger again. Ayan, oh. 2 years ago, dyan pa yan, oh. Tapos yung puno nandito. Ngayon, wala na. Ah, thanks, Sam. Thank you. Late na lang kayo papunta McDonald para makapag-exercise. Order na tayo ng food ni Sa kasi gutom na si Sa. Kaya ako okay pa sana. So, si Sa gutom na kasi lagi siyang nasa tubig. Nandito tayo. Ay. Naamoy ko na. Si Sak gusto niya spicy chicken.
Red ones, that's about a 20 bucks.
Yeah, we bought 20 bucks.
36, I think 36.
I have 36. Don't you?
I don't know how much. How much. Guys, dito na kami. Ayan yung... Sak!
Jack, come and eat, mate.
Come on now! Dito na yung McDonald's mo. Oh, it's wet here. Can you remove this one? No, that one is alright.
Put this in there. Is that right?
Soft. But it's not choco though. Yeah, hindi siya choco yung pie nila eh. No, I'm good, thank you. No, I'm good. Here's yours. Si Holly gusto niya Big Mac. Ayan, kay Holly to. And chips. Baba, come on, eat not. Don't sit here because they're wet. You can eat yours here. Yeah. Yeah. Don't have the other one. Yeah. That's the one they have up. They're busy there. Yours is. You got chips? Ayaw niya ng pickles.
Yeah, all right.
Here's a chicken, 2 chicken, spicy chicken, and then rice. There, sit down there. Here, mommy.
Wait, hang on, let me. Where's the towel?
Is it good? So you're right? Is it alright?
I'm fine.
They don't have the choco that we used to get. Try this one. They have the new one.
What is it?
It's different one, but it tastes good. Just try. If you don't want it, you can.
What type is it?
It's creamy puff. Is it alright?
Yeah.
It's like coconut cream.
Do you order that?
Yeah. What's that, Baba?
Do you order that?
Yeah. Wow. And ito yung akin. Yung nakuha ko ay,
Kind of wanted a big basket of food.
yeah, that's wow. Perfect yung nakuha ko. Ayaw ko kasi yung drumstick, ayan. Meron tayong ribs at saka yung wings. Ay! Para tayong nasa Pinas nito. Good, sa? Uy, don't put your rubbish in my pocket. I got your Coke here, Sak, oh. Holly.
Me?
Yeah. We can open one first. Si Kuya, kumain na.
Do you have any napkins?
Actually, they don't put, yeah. Spicy. So, do you want chips? Right. Oh, ang anghang. Sak, are you alright? Ito, spicy. Oh, ang anghang. Kayang-kaya ni Sak. Can you handle the spiciness, Sak? And meron din siyang chips. Yan yung ating baby.
Half of it, but do you want it?
No, I'm good. But too big for you? You can give it to Daddy if you're done. If you cannot finish, yeah, give it to Daddy. Andun si Jano. Tawa ng tawa dun, tsaka si Joe.
Do you have a tissue?
Yes. Andun yung dalawa. Oh. Ayun na si Sak. Tapos na siyang kumain. And nakaya niya yung pagka-spice ng chicken. Ako parang napaso yung dila ko. Isa pa lang yung nakakain ko. Nagpapahinga lang. Meron pa akong isa. Ayun na si Sak. Si Joe, magsusurfing si Joe. Good luck, Joey! Yes, I did. That was good. Masarap yung taro pie nila. Ang sarap. At saka hindi siya ganun katamis. Tamang-tama lang. Ang sarap. Yung mag-aama ko nandoon sa pool. Tapos dito, dumami yung tao. Halos lahat nagsusurfing. Si Joe nandun pa. Nagsusurf din si Joe. Massage for your legs. Papa-massage siya sa legs. You're right. Lumipat na pala kami. Nandito na kami sa Valley Garden Resort. Ayun yung mag-ama ko. Yung boys, nandun pa rin sila kasama si Brock. Nasa pool din sila. I'm okay. Gusto nila ako mag-swimming. Sabi ko, wag ngayon. Sobrang busog ako. Gusto ko lang muna dito Ang init. Ha? We still have a lot of days. This is our second day. I'm alright, baby. I'm happy to watch you there. The transition. You have to do that when you're dry and jump. May ginawa kasi siyang mga transition. Now you have to jump high. Tingnan yung pawis ko. Hindi ko pa nagagalaw yung laptop, guys. Sobrang lang doon, chill kami doon, kwentuhan, tawanan, biruan, sobrang saya doon. Ano pa sila? Kaso si Jan, magpapamassage sana dito. Kaso wala na yung magmamassage, umuwi na raw. So, swimming na lang siya dito. Tapos mamaya, busi ko anong plano naman. Naririnig ko na yung boses ni Zach. Nag-order pala si Oli ng banana shake. Ubus na. Banana milkshake. The boys are here, pati si Brock. Si Kuya. Ayan sila. Hi, Zaki. Are you saying still? I love you. 6:30 na pala, guys. And yung aking mag-aama, nauna na kung saan kami kakain ng dinner. Nagnap kasi ako, sabi ko, huwag nila akong gisingin kung aalis na sila. Kasi mag-a-alarm na lang ako. Ayan, diba? Kapag nap tayo. Ito lang, malapit lang sa Valley Garden. Ayan yung Valley Garden. Tapos, yung... hiningal tayo. Yung kakainan namin, ito yung Valley Garden. Ayan yung kakainan namin. Ayan lang. Ayan, dito lang. As in, sobrang lapit. Gusto kasi nila manood ng football. Kaya, pub style yung aming. Yeah, and then sinabihan ko rin sila, mag-order na sila kasi hindi ako kakain. Yeah, but I'm full. Ayan yung Bali Garden. Ito yung, is this pub or restaurant? Pub? What? Not a pub, like kind of pub.
Sports bar.
Sports bar. Yeah, they call it sports bar. And speaking of sports bar, ayan siya. Hi! Yung mga boys, nandito, nanonood na sila ng football kasi yung team ni Sak ang naglalaro. Sak, what happened to the best player? That's so unlucky.
He rolled his ankle on
I
the bed.
know. That's so unlucky. So he's not coming?
No, he just got a strap. He should come on now.
Ayan yung table namin dito. Ito yung akin, margarita. You're good? Nakadalawang slice ng pizza. Tapos binigay ko kay Kuya, isa. Tapos si Jan, saka yung boys. Kumain kaya ayan. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng margarita. Ang pa ko. This is Kuya. Ito kay Kuya. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Oh, it's hot. It's warm. Mango. What do you call this mango one? Mango. I don't know, but mango siya kasi warm.
Where was warm?
It's warm though. It's warm. Good?
Not too bad. Guys? Pardon? Guys? I reckon they're coming.
I got a stingy like pudding for my dessert. And it's really good.
Is it good?
Yeah. I'm gonna do this.
It's got strawberry.
Yeah.
Is it alright, yeah? So what do you call that one? Mango palm, like apple palm. Why are you having that?
You're lucky you ain't
What are you having?
because I made a
I was at work, so he ran upstairs. But I've got my own little recipe I have. I do 1.5 of the mix.
Jan, chocolate volcano yung kay Jan. Hindi siya
So I
malayo
can't
siya.
put too much water in.
Because she didn't know what was in the water. 3/4. 3/4 of a cup. So she Googled it and it said 12 tablespoons.
It's Chinese people.
Tapos na pala kayo mag-dinner. Go, Baba! Come on, go, Baba! Boys! Boys! Picture
Boys.
sana. Brock, TJ, come here!
TJ, walk.
Come on!
Oh, is it?
Photo!
I missed the chili, is it?
Everyone, chili.
Go, Sophie!
Go, everyone in.
Smile 9.
TJ,
TJ!
this side.
Hi, TJ, where are you going? We cannot see you. So, Sophie, we cannot see you.
Close to that way.
Yeah, that's fine. All right,
Okay.
everyone smile. Not to move it. Smile.
Smile.
Don't make me kick your asses. I'll kick yours.
So, mag-walk-walking.
Yeah, Barney.
So, maglakad-lakad muna kami after ng dinner para ma-burn ulit yung calories. Ay, ang cute naman. cute. Alis na tayo. Ando na. Hinihintay na tayo. Punta kayo dito sa Discovery Mall. Oh my God, Bear talaga. Ay. Sure. Okay? Scan yung bag natin. Which is good. Para safe ang lahat.
Is this changed or what?
No, it's still the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just quiet.
Shut up, dude. I thought it was
Remember you and Joe went here for that ride? You know that
was
ride?
years ago. That one.
So Shola. Mas malamig dito. Ay, ang Starbucks. Hindi pa kapag Starbucks si Holly. Yeah. Hi. Here's your hand speaker. 300 million. 3 million, 300. 3 million. Sila ditong Changi, oh. Changi sa loob ng mall. Ang cute. Mama's Bar. Oh. I love doggy stuff.
I don't know what he's talking
Oh, yeah, I don't know. I don't have money, Papa. I told you to ask Daddy. High five, Baba. Baba, take your photo, Baba. Come on, Baba. Just a one. Come quick, please. Please, Oli. Dito tayo sa Rip Curl. Is it the same price from last night? Oh, look at Holly girl. Yung, go. Is it fit you? Oh, look at you. Oh, ito pala yung isang nabili namin kagabi. Baba, you put stain. Naka-sale din sila dito. Ah. Get white and blue, Baba.
What size?
You have to get you have to try it, Baba. Too big for you. Too big for her, sorry. Too big for her. Do you have size for her? No, Baba. Okay. Yeah, it's okay here, but this one's too long. Thank you. And si Kuya. You already have that one, huh? But the same.
Relaxed fit, those ones are.
Meron ito si Kuya. Oh. Kaso malit na daw.
You'd need a large.
Large hand. Yeah, large.
Relaxed
Just
fit.
put him on there.
That one?
That's the tea
Medium.
Yeah, but Kuya need large
You
hand.
just put it on. It's down there.
Sure?
Because it's big. These are big sizes. So go
Okay.
there.
Yeah, you want me to.
Short? Where's Holly? Where's Zachary? Sabi ko, kuha na lang siya ng ibang design. Ayaw ni Kuya kasi gusto niya yan. Gusto niya yung design na yan. Yung ganyan niya, kay Sak na lang. It will fit Zachary, huh? No, it's not fit. That one, she tried that one. It doesn't fit. Yeah, she tried. It doesn't fit. Sabi ng daddy niya, kuha ka nun, Baba. Hindi niya nakita na sinukat na ni Holly. It doesn't fit her, huh? She tried.
Just look, Ronnie.
Sophie, you do not need those.
Come on, yeah.
Lift it up.
Come here. It's alright.
They got a tight thing in front or anything?
Yeah, it's okay.
No.
Tight
What
or
I feel like.
good?
You sure?
Si Sak wala dito. Nandun siya sa perfume area. Nang aamoy na naman doon si Sak. May si Sak sa perfume eh. Si Sak nandun. Hindi ko lang kung makikita niyo. Nandun siya. Amoy ng mga perfume. That's too. Walang maliit. Para kay Holly dito. Pang teens kasi yung mga nandito. Come on. Yeah.
I bet that one fit.
Changing room. Nakalabas na kami sa Discovery Mall. And kung maalala nyo, 2 years ago, dumaan din kami dito papunta sa Valley Garden. Pauwi after ng malling. Ayan yung Slash Island. Oh. Sumambay kami dito last time. May picture pa nga si Oli. Kuha sila ng slushy. Before, malaki to, madami to. Ngayon, eto na lang. Baka doon? Ah, hindi. Hotel na yan eh. Wala, eto na lang. Kung maalala nyo, diba? Ang dami nilang stalls. Ngayon, eto na lang, tsaka yun. No more?
No more.
Oh, why? What happened?
I'm not.
You're not sure. Yeah. Tapos may basketball before dyan kasi yung mga bata nag-basketball din. Wala na.
You need to bed?
Yeah.
Somewhere to be, don't wanna leave. Just one more drink, don't wanna think about anywhere, anyone else. Maybe I could have loved you in another timeline. Could you have loved me too if our stars align?
Good? Is it watermelon?
No, raspberry. Nice.
What?
Nothing.
Why'd you laugh with that more?
But you thought this was watermelons. Raspberry.
What is it?
Right. Raspberry.
Tangy.
It's alright. Ayan yung Discovery Mall. Ay.
Put some water on it.
Dito na kami sa hotel namin. Ito yung likod. At ganito ang itsura niya pag gabi. Maraming nagdi-dinner. Kasi yung view nila. Nalampasan na namin yung hotel namin. Punta kami ng marketplace. Marketplace.
Gotta walk this road off. Freaking hell.
Yeah. Kailangan namin maglakad kasi busog ang lahat. Yan, dito tayo pupunta. Welcome to Kuta Art Market. Dito. Ay, madulas yung floor. Slippery. What? Shut. Oh, it's closed. 9 o'clock na kasi. So dito, sa building na to, sarado na yung mga tiyanggi-tiyanggi nila. But dito sa labas meron pa, pero konti lang. So at least open. Ayan. Ay, ayan, tiyanggi. Yung iba nga sarado na din, no? Ayan. Meron din sila mga pagkain doon. Mga like barbecue. Hi! Guys, kabalik na pala kami.
Back from walking.
And, ayan, diniliver na nila yung pinalaban namin na damit. My God, anong oras na? Mag-alas 10 na.
We're gonna close the vlog.
9:40 pala. Yeah, we're gonna close. Okay, close the vlog.
Thank you for watching. Please like and please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night.
Night, guys.
Good night, guys. I'm really.
Time zone